pick that up, don't you? Don't you? You gotta pick that up? You gonna pick that up?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You gonna pick it up tonight?
No.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Today?
No.
Right now?
No.
Yep, as soon as you eat that candy, you're gonna pick it up. See, you didn't really throw it on the ground, did you? Nope. Look. Now you dropped it. Look. Calling my bluff.
I got the owl.
You got an owie?
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, you supposed to throw stuff on the floor? Huh? Are you gonna pick that wrapper up that you threw? Huh? Please? Can you please pick it up?
Can't get down.
If I get you down, will you pick it up? Huh?
I can't get down.
If I help you down, will you pick it up?
No.
No. Why not?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why not today?
Today.
Today you'll do it? Yeah? Alright. Let me help you down.
No.
Ah!
I want you.
Don't want to.
Eat it.
Stop what? What am I doing? What am I doing? Stop what? What?